Right, you're back with me again. I think we might have to rejig what we're going to do with this, because that's the electrode cable. If you look at it, it's way undersized to compare to the old BOC one, so we're a bit worried about what damage we might do going into these with DINS connectors. But anyway, we've got to upgrade this broken electrode holder. This is the original one from 46 years ago. Nice. But I bought these. I bought a couple of these, about £3. So I'll put that on, see what she thinks. But yes, we're undecided about this. The power cable's similar size. Concerned about the humming, but that's probably just a transformer thing. Yeah, undecided. Right, hopefully I've shown that stripping down in fast mode or whatever you call it. But this is the inside of the machine, and I don't think we'll be messing with the work return and the electrode cable, because that's all it is. So there's the windings. I'm not an electrician, but what I'm having a problem with is moving this backwards and forwards. So I'm going to have a faff about. It's obviously in there where I need to get some oil or something so the thing can move freely. So I'll do that and come back to you later.